Hello everyone, well it's the first one for some time and it's Sunday the 1st of March 2020 and it's probably the first warm day of this season. Last week has been, well last month really has been pretty horrendous, and as you can see I've got the car running, or the Jag running, and I'd just like to go through a few things that I've done, and that includes new condenser, new air conditioning all the way through, courtesy of Fen Air, new radiator, new fuel hoses all throughout, new distributor cap. I did have cables in, but they don't seem to be doing the job. I'm not very happy with them. New coil and cleaned out down below the water pump, which has of course been replaced, and all complete new hoses throughout, and cleaned the mess that was all down in the valley, which was, I have to say, pretty horrendous. I've never seen a car like it in my life. And replaced the valves here, both sides there, and I can't remember what else I've done. Quite a lot. So now I'm going to starting work on doing the back axle, or the rear subframe, and I'll be starting to drop that later in a few minutes. You can see I did have some trouble starting it, but as you can see I've got these spark light things to tell me if she's fired or not, and I've left them in because I think they look rather pretty, actually, and it's a bit of a novelty, but I probably will take them out when I've done it properly, when I'm fully up and running. There's still a few jobs to be done, and I hope to be able to do those in the next week or two. So let's get on starting on the back axle, and I'll run you through there what I'm going to do.